This is quite impressive. Agent Yinka,
So,
I must confess you have done well in short period of time.
thank you very much, sir.
I acknowledge your effort. So, you can go now. I'll get back to you when the need arises. Okay?
Okay, sir. I will always be at your service, sir.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
I love that.
Thank you, sir.
Beautiful. What a good work in a short period of time. Oh my God, I can't believe this. This is beautiful.
No. Just nothing anyone can do about it. How can a man with stroke be crowned an Igwe? Are we fools?
We are elders. And we are assumed to be wise. Oh, let us call a spade a spade. A spade has to be called a spade. How can anyone even suggest that we crown Obinna king? In this state he is in. Now look at him. Hey. What do you take us for? Zombies? Animals? No, what do you think we are?
No. Ask them. That will not happen. Okenye anaghị anọ n'ụlọ. Ewu ọmụọ n'ogbere. The late Igwe, Ochendu one, has a daughter who is married. I suggest we go ahead and crown Princess Chioma's husband as the Igwe of Ufuma Kingdom.
Okay. Behold your king! Behold your king! There.
No, you can make your point, but don't just touch me. Don't touch me!
Behold your king, and I say not touch you. There, is it? There, behold your king.
I'm out of here. Don't call me again, please.
My goodness. This is bad. Yeah. What must have happened to him?
Not to worry. We're making sure he gets well soon. Yes, and I'm so sorry you couldn't meet him.
It's okay, I don't mind. After all, he's a human being. What if I had married him and then this happened? Would I have run away? No. So please, I would want to see him. If possible, let me come and stay closer to him while I take care of him.
You're such a beautiful soul. Wow! Well, I will come to pick you by tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes, I will take you to the palace. Better still, you can also come to the palace yourself. My mother will take care of you.
Really?
Yes, come here. Such a darling.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll see you tomorrow,
All right.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Hey.
Hi.
Now, I feel like dying. My heart is full of pain. If this is a dream, someone please wake me up again. Oh, my whole world is crushed.
I am glad you are here. I was thinking that you changed your mind.
You had better have something serious to say. I have an important appointment to attend after now.
All right. I have information about your in-law, Jason, which might interest you to know.
If this is about Jason, I am not interested.
Wait, I thought you wanted a revenge for a man that dumped you for your sister.
Somadina, I have bigger problems to attend to. I'm sure you know that my brother Obina is seriously sick. There are a series of conspiracy going on in the palace to take over the throne from him and from us. You see, I have bigger problems. Well, good luck with your Jason case. I'm not interested.
Wait. Come, wait. Who is the next beneficiary to the throne?
Choma, automatically. Her husband, Jason.
Alright, what if I tell you I can arrest Jason and detain him for a while? Just to buy time for your brother Obina. I can even write petition to the governor just to buy time for your brother. What do you think? I can. Yes, I can.
What is really happening? Why is life treating me like this? At my age? Why? Look at the man I was supposed to get married to. All of a sudden, became sick. What is really going on? What is it? Hey.
Every other friendship is a counter. Hey, the most beautiful friendship I have. Asamma. Oh, baby Uncle, baby the sharp. Hey, Maureen.
How are you?
I'm fine, oh.
Welcome.
Why is your face like this? Or are you still mourning over Jason?
Who is Jason? Is that a name of a place, animal, or thing? Do I look mad to you?
It's Jason I mentioned though. Your oxygen, your diamond, your gold, the air that you breathe. Without Jason, you are useless. You are like this. You are like that. Ah! Maureen, Jason! You were about to run mad.
Waka, I am not ready for all these your thoughts now. As I am seated here, I want to reflect on my life. I called you here so that you reason with me. Do you know that Princess Sochi introduced me to her brother, the prince? But all of a sudden, he got struck with a bad ailment. I don't understand. That is why I am here reflecting on my life. I have gone to see him though.
Biawane, why are you so desperate about marriage? At this your young age, you are thinking about marriage. Abi, are you about to die young?
What kind of stupid question is that? Don't you want to marry?
Maureen, you are getting it all wrong. What I mean is that you need a break in your life. You need it. After what you've been through in the hands of Jason. Come on, Maureen, you need a break. Now you want to go and marry an imbecile of a prince. Because you're after marriage.
We're back in a word there. No. Don't add imbecile to that prince again, Biko. I don't blame you anyways. I blame myself for telling you.
Maureen, Jason has settled you with a business. So focus on it and leave marriage alone. Are your village people after you? Are you cursed? Marriage. What is wrong with you? One problem to the other. Jason, now an imbecile. What is it?
I was not imbecile also.
I am saying, you are running mad. You are losing it. Imbecile. Then, Jason. You are running mad. You have lost it.
I've always known you are a senseless human being. Always thinking differently from what I'm thinking. Onya Allah. It's like what she said is true. Am I cursed? Fear. I'm not. But look at Izunna. I'm supposed to go back to him, but he is married now. Even Philip is married to Onyocha. Now the prince, I will give him Besile. I have no option, no. I'll just have to marry the prince like this. I'll marry him that way. So that as Jason is coming into the palace as an in-law, I will be there as the queen of the kingdom. Now control Ifeneme. Let's know who we win. That is what I will do. Oh, Mario, I call this idiot to reason with me. Oh, Banilike Nukabe. Naba.
Yes, I'm coming.
Those men outside like that to see.
Did you tell them I am home?
No, sir.
Alright. I don't feel like seeing anybody today. Alright?
Okay, sir.
Tell them I'm not home. They should come back tomorrow or next. Alright?
Good morning, sir. We are men from Economic Financial Control Commission. We are under arrest for cybercrime and fraudulent related issues. You are advised to remain silent because whatever you do or say can be used against you.
Listen guys, we can sort this out, quietly. Can I at least drive my car?
I'm sorry you don't have that privilege. You have to join us in our car. Now move it.
Young man, listen.
Listen, calm down. Listen, I just want us to talk.
We're young men, eh? We can sort this out very quietly and everybody, just Listen, let's sort this out, alright? I'll give you guys 5 million.
Move it!
Listen, I know we see this every day, okay? I'll give you guys... Okay, I'll make it 10 million. 10 million, I mean 10 million is enough money for you guys. Listen, I'll give you guys 15 million, alright? 3 of you, 5 million each to go round.
We are not hungry. Now move.
Listen,
I'll
give you 15 million. Listen, 15 million. Move it! I'll give you 15 million. Listen, move it. 15 million. Listen, hey, tell my wife to get my lawyer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir, listen. Can you move? It's everything.
Shut up.
Move it! Listen, we're young men. We're all young men. Let's sort this out. Now move it! Sir, we can sort this out. Move it! We can sort this out. I said move. I said 15 million naira. Go round. 5 million naira each.
That's fine.
Mother, what about taking Obinna to his spiritual home? It is possible there are spiritual forces attacking him. How can a young promising man like him suffer stroke? Mother, please. Let's take him to where he can be attended to by a spiritualist.
No! Have you forgotten your brother is a prince? I wouldn't want him or any member of this family mocked outside there. The physiotherapist has attended to him. That is why he's calm. So...
Mother, can you just bear with pride? Mother, can you just bury the ego and seek solution for your son?
I will not take Obinna to anywhere, please. I would rather leave him here than to live with the stigma all the rest of my life. No.
I get it. It's all about pride, right? Mother, your son is dying.
Now, I feel like dying, my heart.
I'm finished. It's been more than 3 days now. And I've not seen Jason to hug him. I'm finished. What do I do? I'm finished. I'm finished.
Please sit down. Sit. Mama, crying will not solve the problem. All we need to do is look for a way to get him on bail. Ikonem, stop crying.
If only Chukwemeka had listened to me. If only he had listened to me. I saw this coming. But my son did not see it with me. Chai! Chioma is evil. She is evil. Ever since Chukwemeka married her, it has been from one problem to the other, from one problem to the other. And he is my only son.
Mama,
what do I do now?
I know how you are feeling right now. But don't lose hope. All you need to do now is to have faith in God. He does not disappoint. And He will not see you and change. Please, be strong for me.
Maureen, it should have been you.
Mama.
It should have been you.
Mama, it's okay.
Choma, what is this? What happened?
Oh, please, help me. I need your help.
Did you hold Jason as Ajana directed once a week?
I've not hugged him for over 8 days now. You know, the last time I came here, I told you I was really itchy. You said I shouldn't worry, nothing will happen. I went to the police cell to see if I can hug him, but they didn't grant me access.
Hey! Choma! You know what? Go to your room. I have to see Ajana quick.
Come now. Please help me, oh.
You quick.
Ajani, please help me. Help me, my daughter is dying. Her body is full of boils. She has made a terrible mistake. She remembered to apply the ultimate right, but she could not get access to hug her husband. Please, help me, she is dying.
Nothing must be done. It's too late.
No. Jana, please, something must be done. You have to do something. She's my only daughter. I can't let her die. Do I bring her here? I don't mind.
No! You must not bring her here. The recompense of her stupid mistake is death. Ajahn is not merciful. Go! 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 Osisi Bayesu se sana okomere. Adaruge! Osla!
Please. I want all of you to forgive me. I know that I have sinned against you. Oh, please. Forgive me. My daughter is dying. I don't want to lose my only child, please. Forgive me.
Esther, what did you do? Confess, we are listening.
I was the one that gave Chioma the charm she used on Justin. I collected the charm from Ajana. Ajana told us that if she wrapped the charm on her body and hugged Justin, that Justin will leave Sochi for her, which we succeeded on doing. I'm sorry.
Esther. Esther, why? Esther, why?
I am sorry.
What have we done to you? Why?
Confess all your sins, Queen Esther. What else have you done?
All your sins. It is obvious that Prince's sudden stroke is not ordinary. Now let me ask you. Have you hand in it?
Wait, are you responsible for the prince's illness? The prince, are you responsible for his illness?
Yes. Hey! I'm sorry.
Esther, you have killed me.
I'm sorry.
Why?
Because I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Please forgive me. It was my quest for power. I also collected the charm I sprinkle on his doorstep from our journey, hoping that my chuma will give birth to an heir. I wanted to take over the throne. I'm sorry, please. Go. Amarachi, please forgive me. Pikono. I'm sorry.
Have you seen my handset? I'm looking for it. No, my queen. Can I help you look for it? It must be somewhere. Never mind. You don't have to do that. I know it must be somewhere around the palace. You can go. Okay.
Ajani. Listen. We shall go out there. Take some youths and make sure Ajani leaves this village today. Ajani must be banished from this village today.
Yes. He needs to be banished.
Uchon, come on, shut up. Uchon.
Esther.
I'm sorry.
Esther, why?
Forgive me. Be quiet. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
Monkeys! Evil forest!
Take him out. No matter what you do in the dark, messy annoy potifena. If Daniela na mili nemesio sekwane nuna.
Oga, I hope my brother will be fine.
Yes, he'll be fine.
Thank you so much. I am very happy to hear that.
You're welcome.
So we'll have to go now. Please make sure you take care of him.
Yes. Go and come back in 7 days' time.
Thank you. God bless.
Now, I feel like dying. My heart is full of pain. If this is a dream, someone please wake me up again. Oh, my whole world is crashing down, and I feel like I'm dying now. Somebody help me, help me. I'm dying slowly. Help me, I'm dying. Help me, I'm dying. I can help myself. I can help myself. Help me, I'm dying. Help me, I'm dying. I can help myself. I can help myself. Now, I feel like dying. My heart is full of pain. If this is a dream, someone please wake me up again. Oh, my whole world is crashing down, and I feel like I'm dying now. Somebody help me, help me. I'm dying slowly. Help me, I'm dying. Help me, I'm dying. I can help myself. I can help myself. Help me, I'm dying. Help me, I'm dying. I can help myself. I can help myself.
It's painful. No. I'm dying. I'm dying here, oh, mommy, I'm dying.
You will not die. Nothing will happen to you. Oh, Mom, you won't die.
Hey.
Oh my goodness.
Fiakwa, Esther, what kind of illness is this? What kind of evil illness is this? So one cannot have good smell in this palace. Hey!
Please, if you're done talking rubbish, get out.
I will.
Please do.
I will get out, Biko. This is too much. But mind you, hi, Chideke. Very soon, both of you will be thrown out of this palace. Ne, you what he neighbor? Hi, come on, what did you do?
Die. You will not die, my dear. I will not let anything happen to you. I won't let anything happen to you. You won't die.
Mommy, fan me now. Fan me. Fan me. I'm dying here.
Mama, I am tired.
I am dying here. Fan me.
I'm tired. See, I need to make some moves now. I have to.
What stupid move are you going to make again? Eh? Is it not your rubbish move that put me in this condition? Is
it not for something that will benefit us?
Benefit you and who?
Were you not enjoying it?
Benefit you and who?
Eh?
It was for your own selfish interest.
Which selfish interest?
Which are you going to begin at? Ekaya?
You didn't keep to the roads. I want he gave me rapier.
Look at you. Unrepentant human being.
You can easily go to where they are
Instead of
holding
you
your
to
husband
think of
captive.
how to go and call a pastor.
Hold him. At the Jeff station myself. What are you talking
call
about?
Call a pastor.
Call which pastor?
To come and pray for me. You're so unrepentant.
My friend, please shut up.
Let me tell you, if I die, if I die, I will come back for you. I will hurt you.
Just shut up. Who is there?
If I die, I will hurt you.
Who is there?
My spirit will hurt you. Fan me, this is hot.
Come here. Come and help me fan the princess.
My finger. I'm busy in the kitchen, and the food will get burnt.
Then go out there, call any maid or any guy. 2, 3, any of them. Just call them. They should come here with hand fan. My daughter is talking here.
Fan me.
Friend, shut up. I'm fanning you. What is wrong with you?
You're not fanning me. Look at what you've done to me. Bad mother.
Disobedient child. If you had applied what they will ask you to do, this thing will not happen.
If you had not dragged me into it, I won't be in this condition.
Please.
It's all your fault.
It's not my fault.
It's your fault.
It's not my fault.
It's your fault.
I don't want people to know I was sick. What is wrong with you?
Let them know. This is not an evidence already.
Evidence of what? Evidence that you didn't keep the rules.
Evidence of Georgie.
Was it not sweeting you? Eh?
Sweeting me where? Sweeting me where? Let me leave some money.
Is it not better for you?
I would have been
you can't compare trailer with a Rolls Royce.
Can you see his life now?
Nobody
knows tomorrow.
It's your fault.
You are greedy.
You can imagine. I should come and fan her. You can give it to Emezia. Hey!
She told me the same thing. And I told her there is a war outside and I'm going there to settle it.
Good.
Mad people. Ndiala. Let her come and shout at us.
I can't just understand. Hi.
My friend, go and open gate. Let me see good people. Hey.
Thank you.
Welcome, my princess.
Hi, thank you.
My princess, how is the prince doing?
He's getting better. Soon he'll be back to the palace. Thanks for your care.
You're welcome. My princess.
Yeah?
We'll be praying for the prince. We believe that very soon we'll get well.
Amen. Thank you very much. Maureen, let's go in.
Okay.
Maria, go in and do your work, or you want to join them and try and find the sick princess.
Are you mad?
Nonsense.
My prince. Are you okay? My prince. My prince.
I'm healed.
My prince. My prince.
I'm healed.
You are fine. Oga, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you. May God give you more wisdom. Thank you. My prince.
I am not expecting you to heal this fast.
This is a miracle.
Yes, I'm not expecting to heal this fast.
Wow. This is unbelievable. I can walk.
My prince! My prince! Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
Where is Luchy?
They are all in the palace. You're well now. Oga, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Obina, I hope our new queen has been taking proper care of you.
Oh, you can see it for yourself. She's been doing terrific job.
That's so nice. Aha, Iyawo. What about my nsala soup?
Please, you have to pardon me. I could not make the nsala soup, but I made a very delicious bitter leaf soup.
Okay.
Oh, my children. To God be the glory. I am now a happy mother with my children together. Obinna. Obinnam. Obinnam. Onochie. Onochie. God, you are wonderful. There is a parable that says, he who laughs last
laughs best.
Hey, God, I thank you. Nemo,
Mother.
what about my in-law? What about your husband?
Marriage. Please. I know that I have wronged all of you. I've done terrible things to all of you, but please do not let my daughter die. I am begging you. Obinna, I know I have wronged you. Biko, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please, save my dying daughter. Begging you. Sochi, please, do not let your sister die like this. Please. Abarachi, please.
Enough, woman! Look, I don't have time for this right now. As you can see, I am having a terrific moment with my family and my beautiful wife. As for your daughter, the two of you can sort it out yourselves. Now please leave. Leave!
Honey, please calm down. Please. My queen. Just go. I will help you talk to me.
Shameless woman.
Evil woman.
I don't blame you. You have the guts to come here and shed crocodile tears.
Mother, they say the evil that men do now lives with them.
Okay.
Hey, my prince, you forgive me. Amarachi, forgive me.
Iron lady.
Why would you have to do that?
Honey, please. Mother, Sochi, let's learn to forgive. To err is human and to forgive is divine.
My daughter, you won't understand. At all, this woman is evil. Esther is evil. She deserves to die.
Mother, forgiveness is freedom on its own. Please. Please.
What is keeping your husband?
He'll be here soon.
Let me go and set the table.
That's fine.
Oh, please, I'm famished. I can't do it.
What is yours will be your own. You don't need to fight, you don't need to quarrel. Life na jeje can you lay away. In a nuko numo Akunya londwa na lusia Ogwolo gina piano Onye neme njo mesia Bossy na piano. No matter what you do in the dark mesia no ya potifena Ife danyana na mili nemesio Sekwane nuna I take it life for jeje What is yours will be your own. You don't need to fight, you don't need to quarrel. Life na jeje can you lay away. In a nuko